Hey, munchkins! Happy New Year, guys! Get it? See what I did there? Happy New Year! It's Mom's birthday. It's officially the first. Wishing you guys all the very best and many more years to come. We're gonna go on and get the blessing of food. You know, it's Mom's birthday, so I'm hitting you with that good old Caribbean home cooking. Some curry chicken, roti, some chana rice. Go on and bless it so you can get to munching and shouting you guys out. It's going to be a quick one. I'm not going to take up too much of your time because, yeah, you know, you're drinking. Oh, maybe I'll make it a long one. Watch it to the end. Go ahead and press that thumbs up. Go and subscribe while I bless the food. Dear Lord, please bless this food. The hands that prepared it. All those who enjoy it may be of nourishment and sustenance to our bodies. May this wonderful year of 2019 that we've just entered into bring love, strength, health, and wealth to us all. In your name I pray. Amen. Let's get it, y'all. So, something quick because I missed you guys. I got some videos to upload. I know, I skipped a couple days. I feel like I'm all up in your face. This feels really close. I don't know. There's so much stuff back there, but I feel like this is a real close encounter. You all up in your business, y'all? You all up in my business, too? Helps y'all. That's what I'm here for. Put my business all up in y'all face. You know. I'm all up in your business now. What you doing? What you getting into? What is this wonderful year going to bring you? It's resolution time. I don't have none. I don't want none. I don't have any resolutions. I'm going to give y'all the show this is my best life. That's it. What's your resolution for the new year? Sorry for my phone going off on the side there, guys. So we got a resolution. Babes on the side. I ain't doing all of that yet. Let's see how I do. Then we'll think about that. No. What's your resolution for the new year? You got one? Just to love me? I could do that. I could make that a resolution this year. Oh, it's going ham. Hamburger. And eat all my curry. See how you really gonna eat all my food? You can't have all of it. But since you wanted pizza, I wasn't gonna give you anything. Man, me my pizza, y'all. I got this dessert on the side too. So shout out to Mama TK and Aaliyah. Always in my head I say Aaliyah because I'm like, it's not Aaliyah, but I saw you guys last night twinning. Like mother, like daughter, looking just alike, so cute. Jacking up that pizza. And I do love me some Domino's, y'all. Aaliyah was right, that bread, they bread bowls, they pasta bowls, I love them. So shout out to Mama TK Reviews. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too, little mama. Little Mama TK. Shout out to my girl, Spice Life Vlogs. I see you, boo. Enough love. Happy New Year. Continued support and success to you. I'm so sorry. I just feel like I am all up in it, and then I don't know how to think about this here right now. You know, they always say New Year, new me. There you go. It's just something a little different. Salsa on the dessert. could dig it. So also, on the thin crust, you just want me to eat it like that on the pizza? Yeah, I got some DiGiorno pizza over here too. I'll be jacking up thin crust supreme. Oh, y'all hear that? It ain't delivery, it's DiGiorno. Can y'all hear that crunch? Mm. It's already got a lot of vegetables on it. He wants me to try it with the chunky salsa. Oh, I will. And you know what I'm gonna add? Y'all see the ombre? I ain't show y'all the ombre lips in a while. Did a little red, sparkly L'Oreal 317. You know, that's my birthday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, in case you didn't know. What's moving and grooving this light around? You see that? See my screen for Grandma, you around me? You holding me down right now? So, you know, I'm gonna add the fire to it. And then, yes, I will try it with this mild chunky salsa. So yes, Mama TK had me wanting pizza last night too, so I got pizza, girl. That is good. It does make it better. Like it does bring the sauce back to life. Mm. Oh, that is good, y'all. Try it. You might like it. It is not a booty burner. My pepper is good to the digestive system. It's flavorful and gives you that, but it doesn't make you go ah later on. So I'm putting on mine. No, it's not the booty burner. Oh yes, like I was saying about this hair. I know it's new and stuff, but at certain angles, I'm getting like I don't know if y'all might know him. If you don't know him, check him out. He's starting his BET series on YouTube. Major Hype. And I'm Mitzi Brazier. It's giving me Mitzi right now. I'm not and all my short hair does this to me until I get it right. I don't know quite. I am not a hairdresser. I'm far from a hairdresser, y'all. Locks. Auntie, you're right with some locks, but this I'm not used to. Had my locks for 12 years, y'all. Just help a sister girl out here and be doing me justice from time to time. But right now, I don't know. I'm really getting Mitzi for Major Hype right now. I really need to check. Looking Mitzi. And still me start grow up and starting to do it up. Like I'm getting that real vibe right now. So I like the little hint of color. What y'all think? Giving me a little hair helmet. Then it's giving me a little sass. And it's giving me a little. And I normally I might deal with it all. I grab them up and just say, Mark, I'm it still. Yeah? So comment below. Drop a comment. Thumbs it up if you like it. Share it and subscribe. Press the bell button. For the hair. Do it all for the hair. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. But yes, this pizza tastes really good. But I didn't get to taste it without. You know, I should have tasted it before I put all this on it. But with it, it's the bomb. Now you OGing. Yes. I'm going to steal it. Steal it and use it up. rice. I like it. Spread it all around. Mexican chicken curry with China rice and some DiGiorno pizza. The best of both worlds. That is literally the food definition of growing up in Brooklyn, being raised by Caribbean parents. Curry chicken and rice and DiGiorno pizza and a slice of pizza. Don't get no more Caribbean American than that. What's the thing? Well, guys, I'm about to go tear this up and interact with my boy over here. My boy over here. And I hope you guys enjoy munching with me. Because you know I enjoy munching with you. Nobody else said it for the day. Let me be the first to say, love you in a very, very special way. You out there doing your thing. As long as you're not bringing any hurt or harm to anyone else or yourself. I'm proud of you. Know that you're not alone. You need to tell somebody? Drop a comment. You ain't even got to click the subscribe button. Just say, hey girl, I'm feeling down. I'll cheer you up. Don't worry about it. You came here to do it. It's a new day, new year. Go on and do it. Smile. Let your light shine. And hit me with a slice of pizza. Slice of pizza emoji in the comments if you made it to the end. Hope you made it to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I post a video, which is all the time, every day, all day. At least I try. So I will see you when we're same YouTube channel, same YouTube time. Later, guys. Happy New Year. Bye, 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 bye. Happy birthday, Mom. Blah, 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 blah. Drop a happy birthday to my mom in the comments, too.